The U.S. Department of Justice filed a civil complaint Monday against Volkswagen over its sale of vehicles that used software to cheat on U.S. emissions tests, sharply turning up the heat on the German automaker. The complaint, filed in federal court in Detroit on behalf of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, accused Volkswagen of violating federal law by installing the illegal software on 580,000 cars. A total penalty amount was not stated, but the lawsuit says VW is liable for up to $32,500 or $37,500 per vehicle depending on the time of the violation. That could total more than $18 billion in fines, though it's unclear if the government would demand such a total. However, the threat of such a fine will put pressure on the automaker to come up with a solution for fixing the vehicles, which were discovered in September to spew as much as 40 times the legal limit of nitrogen oxides in normal driving. This ups the ante pretty significantly, said Jack Nerad, executive market analyst at Kelley Blue Book. This might be a little kick to get it to do something. The largest fine ever paid by an automaker was in 2014 when the Justice Department ordered Toyota Motor Corp to pay $1.2 billion in a criminal settlement over sudden acceleration in some of its vehicles. More recently, General Motors Co. paid $595 million last year from a legal fund to compensate victims affected by faulty ignition switches in some cars. Monday's complaint alleges that the illegal software was installed in the U.S. in about 500,000 2.0-liter vehicles including some Jetta, Beetle, Golf and Passat models and 80,000 3.0-liter vehicles, which includes various Audi models and a Porsche SUV. Model years run from 2009 to as late as this year. The company's Audi and Porsche subsidiaries also are named in the lawsuit. The complaint specifically accuses the automaker of violating the Clean Air Act by selling and importing vehicles that were designed differently from what VW had stated in certification applications to the EPA and the California Air Resources Board. The Department of Justice said the civil complaint does not preclude the government from seeking other legal remedies, including criminal action. The lawsuit notably accuses the company of providing misleading information and obstructing the government's probe into the matter.